Hi, I'm pairing this is my bike check, my Fly Custom, man. I'm going to start off with the front. These are my Eclat Ashley Charles signature bars. Quite scratched up because, you know, I'm losing the noses, you know. These are my Chase Hawk signature Odyssey grips. My Eclat top load stem. I'm trendy now. Nice. Got Sunday forks that my friend gave to me for free. And I've got a saw peg here. I don't know any more other pegs. I've got an Eclat a rim, I don't know what it is, my other wheel broke. Got a Saw Plus hub, seal bearings, man, yeah. I've got an Odyssey headset. I've got Eclat slash pedals. Stolen Team crowns version 1, not the second ones. Yeah, I've got the Wheel People Bel Air seat, as Mickey told me. I've got a stolen roulette back wheel. A random peg. Yeah, man, it's correct. Yeah, man. Yeah, I've also got the Fly Bike Montana frame, Stefan Launchner signature, man. I've got an Eclat chain that I've snapped about 5 times. Got a stolen sprocket that I think is cracked. Zoom in on that shit. Yeah. I've got a stolen Thermalite seat post. Yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna do flat tree because I'm cool and I'm trendy like that. Also, I forgot to mention my tyres. Tyres are Eclat Control 2.1 on the back, and the front I have a Fit FAF at 2.3. I like the big fat tyre on the front and the big skinny one on the back. And also, I'm doing it in this different place because we got kicked out of the spot with some old lady, and she was mean, and she doesn't support riding the rig, and that's it.